Well, the fight to get Newport search and rescue helicopter back continues to escalate. An advocacy group sued the U.S. Coast Guard today, alleging that the agency broke federal law by recently moving the helicopter to another city on the Oregon coast. Fox 12's Abby Davis talked to community members about why they believe the decision puts fishermen in grave danger.
We feel like we have a very good case.
The Oregon nonprofit Newport Fishermen's Wives hopes filing this lawsuit helps save lives.
Part of the problem is people that are making decisions from Washington, D.C. They don't know about our port. They don't know about our bar. They don't know about the high seas.
The suit comes after the group learned the Coast Guard moved its search and rescue helicopter about 70 miles south to North Bend.
The fact that they have kept this from us is really, I feel like, a little bit disrespectful to the community. You know, we're a small town, but our lives matter.
Tonette Dixon and her husband own a commercial fishing boat.
We are a cold water port, which is a very dangerous port to be in, especially in the winter when there is high seas, high wind. Our bar is very difficult to cross. If we have an accident, the likelihood of survival is drastically changed when we don't have a rescue helicopter close to us.
Very disheartening and very, very concerning to everybody involved.
Lincoln County says closing the air facility threatens public safety and will hurt the local economy, especially with the Dungeness crab season starting soon. Commissioner Walter Chuck also says the Coast Guard broke federal law by not giving proper notice.
The only way that it could be removed was by an act of Congress.
The state plans to file its own lawsuit Monday. In a statement, Attorney General Dan Rayfield said the federal government didn't just move a piece of machinery, they pulled away a safety net that this community depends on. Federal officials haven't explained why they moved the helicopter. Fox 12 reached out to the Department of Homeland Security for a comment, but we haven't heard back.
There's mothers, there's fathers, there's daughters, there's nieces and nephews out there that are going to be risking their lives to bring a great product back to shore. And it would be sad to see the lack of that asset and potential loss of life because it is not there.
Abby Davis, Fox 12 Oregon.